Locks, back with a recycled lock tutorial. I already did this style my 1950s inspired ponytail, but I have a function to go to tonight, so I wanted something fun, cute, yet classy. So what I did, the front stayed the same, however a slight difference. I wanted the pompadour to be slightly further on my forehead, so this time I had to use pins to secure the ends. In the last video I did, I just held on to the ends and put it in a ponytail. So to turn this style into something more classy and elegant, I made I call it a pinwheel bun. I know there's many names for it, but it just looked like a pinwheel to me. So I turned my loose ponytail into the pinwheel by just rolling and tucking all the way around. No pins were used and it feels pretty snug. Really? No pins were used and it feels pretty snug, so I'm not going to add any pins this time. So now, rather than having a hanging ponytail for my function, I have a classy updo and I am ready to party. Thanks for watching. See you next time. But as always, keep it natural, keep it locked, keep it you.